distance, something's wrong, different like early stages of autism. March on the wind, life defects, the earth's rejects. Sporting the guns, but we artistic. The narcissists, the architects, and tall Christians are distant. Cause I ain't had no bar mitzvah. I'm still the man. And what you lack is what I call wisdom. I'm feeling it. To get it back is what I call mister. Cause a lot of y'all I can't fuck with. Can't be trusted, dumb shit, motive suspect. Yo, who would think that your best friend be your worst enemy and your enemy your best friend? Terror to the air, inspiration from the hood. With my dogs flee. I am no ride, I am no ride. I gotta keep moving on, I ain't got the time. 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 I ain't got the When I jump in a place, it feels appropriate. Time slows down like I'm up to my ears in opiates. I'm an intergalactic homo searching for my soundscape to call my own little utopia. Are we even together as one? No, never will I claim to be a laureate. Been illiterate about a laureate. Casually gliding in some sort of cosmic haze after losing all coordinates. Since if these whiskers gray would be a waste of time and energy that I can have replaced. So I'll be taking it strong with the green label vibes. Sitting by my side, watching for the red beams always catch up. But they don't dip, it's all beef the worship. I pay them no mind, I pay them no mind. I gotta keep moving on, I gotta die. Background, man.